Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply. I wanted to talk a little bit about our Provincial line of hardwood flooring. Typically available in 2 1/4, 3 1/4 strip, select and character grade, and then 3 through 8 as far as width, same thing, select and character grade. And one of the really unique features for this wood, and if you've seen any of the footage from Nailer Day this year, 2022, take a look at it. This is the mill that all of the contestants used for their bundle to rack up and nail up. Take note that the times this year dropped, and a lot of that is due to the length of this product. Color consistency in the grade, select grade, is phenomenal. Again, length is phenomenal, and the milling is just outstanding. Probably a little harder to get on film, but if you have to sand less, you get a quicker install, you're making more money. So again, milling on this is tremendous, length is tremendous, color is great and consistent. These are red oak stacks here in the pallets. I'll just give you an idea. Everybody can look at a pallet and get an overall idea of the length of the product in the bundles. So let's just cut open a section here. And if you look, you look for your end butt breaks in the pallet. This is just one section in the middle of a stack that you might count a couple. It just means the lengths in these bundles are long. So longer lengths, great milling, great color, just means a more efficient, better job to help you make more money. So this is our Provincial line. Of this particular stack is 3 1/4 strip, but available in 2 1/4 strip and also 3 through 8 in plank. Select grade and character grade. Great lengths, great color.